Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REDMI K90 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. So here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case it is over 1 hour, and most of the time I've spent on the settings. You can tap inside the graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the specific time in particular days of the week. You can compare them, and after scrolling here you've got the list of apps which we've been using with specific time of spent on them. You can also tap on the app, and again we've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. Moreover, we can set, for example, the app timers in order to limit the time spent on the screen and on the specific app. Here in the ways to disconnect, we've got app timers, so let's tap on it. Here we've got the full list, so just find the app which you'd like to limit and tap on the hourglass icon. And now, for example, if I will set it for 30 minutes, it means that I can use this app for 30 minutes during a day. After that time, the app will be blocked, and the timer will reset at midnight. You can also set it for 0 hours and 0 minutes. Tap on OK. And as you can see, the camera icon in my case is blacked out or grayed out actually, and after trying to open it, your device will show you the information that the app is paused, and it will start again tomorrow. Obviously you can quickly remove the timer just by going to the settings. However, I really personally think that it is quite a good option to simply at least try to limit the usage, because if you will see this information, maybe you will just stop and think that maybe you do not really need to use this app. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.